it on the new stove. It was so easy.
I know I've already said it, but I love this kitchen renovation.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thanks. I worked really hard on it with Yosh.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. New fridge, new stove.
I know, but you know what I really want to know about?
What?
The new dishwasher.
Oh.
I'm
Yeah.
very curious about the dishwasher.
Yeah. Yeah, it's made in the US and it has 10 different settings. It is quiet as a mouse. I washed 30 pots and pans the other night. Couldn't even tell.
It could handle 30?
Yeah, it can handle a lot. Yeah, it's surprising. But get this. 0 emissions, 0 electricity, anything. It just runs off basically water and sugar. Yeah.
Oh
it's
my
for
God.
the future, you know?
There's so many fluids in that dishwasher, aren't there? Oh my
Yeah.
God. Ah. Well, I have to see it in action. I'm sorry. I just have to see it in action.
Okay.
Can we do the dishes right now?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm very impressed. Oh my God. It's warm. It's warm.
It's a living.
I'm sorry, Trisha. You said that this was a silent dishwasher?
Just give me.
Shut up! Shut up! But that's a malfunction.
Yeah, we're having issues with our dishwasher. If you wouldn't mind coming by, great.
Okay.
It's gotten all
Yeah,
weird.
a lot of
It's on
them
the
are
fritz.
acting out right now. I'm good. You know what? Don't worry.
Okay.
I'm gonna take care of it.
Okay.
I promise.
Awesome.
All right.
You also promised it's under warranty,
Okay,
right?
let's do it.
You promised it was under warranty, right?
All right, let's have a look at this thing. Ugh. Oh boy. Okay. All right. I don't even want to touch it, but okay. Look up for me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Give me a sponge squeeze right there. Yeah, nice. Open up your mouth. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put my finger in there. Don't worry. Okay. All right. Just close this. This is disgusting. All right. This is a problem. I bet he broke like a plate, didn't he?
Yes, he did.
Yeah. That's clearly an error 405, and it's mommy issues. Happens all the time. He probably misses his family. So you see this ivy right here?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have to brainwash your dishwasher ASAP. You just have to unplug it and plug it back in, and it's gonna be all right.
Great.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Sure.
Thank you. Thanks again.
Thanks. Ugh, you saved us.
Yeah, so then we just wait.
Yeah, did he say how long?
You didn't say exactly, but I think just a minute. Give it a
I know.
sec.
I mean, if we're brainwashing it,
Yeah.
I mean, it's got to take more than like a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Right? Anyway.
But yeah, thanks for coming home for dinner.
Oh my
I haven't
God.
seen you in so.
The food was so good. What did
Thank
you do
you.
to the potatoes?
Thank you. It was just a bit of rosemary and some olive oil.
Oh my God, it was
Yeah.
vegan.
It was.
Oh my God.
I didn't even think about that. Wow.
It was
Yeah.
really yummy. I really enjoyed it.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like eating better is making me feel like a different person.
I
so.
think so too. I mean, what you put in your body is like what you get out
Right?
of your body,
It's your
right?
temple.
It's your temple. Anyway. Oh my God, the dishwasher.
Oh yeah. God, I almost forgot. I'm so
Oh,
sorry,
yeah.
stupid.
Oh, it's definitely brainwashed now,
All
right?
All right.
I am so glad that we got your dishwasher fixed.
Me too. Me
All
too.
is right in the world again.
Right? Oh, my
honey.
God.
Well, okay, next time I'm gonna host, and I cannot wait for you to see my garbage disposal.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Excited. I'll walk you out.